Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about locating percentiles under the normal curve. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell button for more updates. Also, you can find different subjects in this YouTube channel. Just select the playlist section. And finally, please don't skip the ads for this video. Thanks! And now let's proceed to our main topic for today, which is all about locating percentiles under the normal curve. So let's have the first example. Example 1. Find the 95th percentile of the normal curve. So for the solution, we have the 95th, right? And that 95th is equivalent to 0.9500. 95th percent. We're talking about 95%. So we have 0.95. And then we will add two zeros because in the distribution table, the area under the distribution table are four decimal places. So we will use four decimal places for our given. Now, there is no 0.9500 in our table because I am using two-tailed standard normal distribution table. Since I am using this one, um, the highest value that we can have is 0.4990. So we cannot have the numbers greater than this. Okay, greater than 0.4999. So we only have until that one. So kapag lumagpas doon, we will subtract it to 0.5000. Okay. So since 0.95 is greater than 0.49999, we will subtract it to 0.5000 and we will have 0.4500. Okay. Now, since pasok na to doon sa ating area, we will look for the numbers, okay? Or the area that is equivalent here, and then kukunin natin yung z-score niya. So 0.4500. Kapag wala, kukunin natin yung mas malapit dito. At ano yung malapit doon? That is 0.4495 tsaka 0.4505. Let's see. Okay? So that is 0.4495. Okay, let's see. 4495. Okay, that's it. 4495. And the z-score is 1.6, and then under this we at the upper part 0.4. So 1.64. And higher than 0.4500 is 0.4505, so that's 1.65. Okay, so the z-scores are 1.64 and 1.65. Okay, and then we will add these two and then divide by 2, and our answer is z equals 1.645. So therefore, the 95th percentile of the normal curve is z equals 1.645. Actually, hindi ko na kayo kailangan turuan dun sa table kasi in our previous video doon sa ating normal distribution table, or using the z-test, I already taught you on how to use that z-test table. Okay? So, let's now proceed for example number 2. Okay, for example number 2, find the upper 10% of the curve. Meaning to say, since it is upper 10%, we're talking about the 90%, upper 10%. So we have 10% equals 0.10000, and we have the remaining side, so we will subtract it to 0.5000 minus 0.1000, and we will be having a equals 0.4000. Using the two-tailed distribution table, we will look for this, or the number that is neither to 0.4000. And we will have z equals 1.28 as 0.3997, and another is a equals 0.4015, or z equals 1.29. We will add the z scores and divide them by 2, The answer is z equals 1.285. So for the interpretation, the upper 10% of the normal curve is z equals 1.285. Another example number 3. Find the upper 20% of the normal curve. So we're talking about the upper. So we have 20% equals 0.2000. The remaining side, so we have 0.5 thousand minus 0.2 thousand. So we have 0.3 thousand. And we will look for the z-score of this area, or the neither z-score for this area. And we have area 0.2995, which is equal to 0.84 z-score, and area which is equal to 0.3023, which is equal to 0.85. Add the two z-score and divide them by 2. The answer is 0.845. So for the interpretation, the upper 20% of the normal curve is z equals 0.845. Example number 4. Find the upper 30% of the normal curve. So we have 30% equals 0.3 thousand. So the remaining side is 0.5 thousand minus 0.3 thousand, that's 0.2 thousand. And find the z-score near to 0.2 thousand. So we have 0.1985, which is equivalent to 0.52, and 0.2019, which is equivalent to 0.53. And for the quotient, no? 0.52 and 0.53 divided by 2, we have 0.525. So for the interpretation, the upper 30% of the normal curve is z equals 0.525. So that's all about for locating percentile under the normal curve. With that, thank you very much for your listening.